are heading ice fishing. We got the Monsters with us. Megan, say hi. We got Zach in the back. Hi. And we're gonna go catch some fish. Stay tuned. Yeah, look at that big butt. Woohoo! Here we are with Jacob, my good friend. He's got himself a little fish here. Here we have Megan. She's got her first fish of the day. Hopefully it's not the last one. Check it, it's a pretty nice fish. Stay tuned for some more.
We got a fish on! Fish on!
It's a monster. Here he comes. Ready? He's out of the hole. Here he is. Oh yeah. Guys, fishing 101 at Dowdy.